here to speak out against the extreme animal cruelty that Aldi allows in its supply chain. They continue to source from farms that keep pregnant pigs in cages for most of their lives, and hens in cages so tightly crammed with other birds that they can't even spread their wings. This is an unnatural, cruel method of confinement, and we will not let corporations like Aldi get away with it. Aldi has the lowest animal welfare standards of any grocery store in the United States, but it doesn't have to be this way. Other grocery chains like Acme and Costco are on track to eliminate these appalling cages and extreme confinement for animals. It's 2024. We need to do better as a society, and we need to hold corporations accountable for doing less than the bare minimum for animals. Aldi has remained silent for over a year at our demands, while pigs and hens endure a life of misery in cages with no room to move, forced to lie in their own feces and urine day after day, unable to express any natural behavior. These animals are individuals with emotions and the ability to suffer. Imagine if this was your cat or your dog. If you shop at Aldi, know that you can demand better. They have already banned this in Germany and in other countries. Why not in the United States? Low prices do not have to mean low standards and extreme animal cruelty. If you are going inside, please ask management, ask the corporate employees there today what they are doing to improve their animal welfare standards. This is unacceptable.